So the first question is, what motivates you to become an entrepreneur?
What motivates me to become an entrepreneur? Unang-una siguro yung freedom natin na pumili kung kailan tayo mag-work, gumawa ng sariling schedule para sa trabaho. And yung pangalawa, pagiging independent. Meron kang sarili mong pera and hindi ka na nakasalalay sa parents mo para sa mga basic needs. Then right now I already providing for my family's needs and my siblings. And next to the another question.
So the second question is, what do you think are your characteristics and competences that made you a successful entrepreneur?
I think I have the characteristic of being a good leader, a good communicator, and open-minded mindset for being a successful entrepreneur. Then next to the another question.
So the last question is, what do you think of being employed? Why didn't you choose that path?
So being employed is parang under ka or control ka ng ibang tao, nag-work ka based sa alam mo, din binabayaran ka nila sa skills na ginagawa mo, pinoprovide mo sa kanila. So you don't have a freedom to make your own schedules. So halimbawa, pag meron kayong importanteng lakad, then meron kang work. So halimbawa, pag employed ka, mag critical critical decision making kung pipiliin mo ba yung work or sa importanteng lakad. So being unemployed is like you're in prison, but at the same time it depends on your mindset or depends on your goal of being employed.
So ano imong pre? Imong business?
Ang business ko is small cafe or small coffee shops there sa Coronadal.
Thank you.